Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Toyota Corolla versus the BMW 3 Series. We will explore their key differences to help you decide which car best suits your needs. The Corolla is renowned for its dependability and affordability, making it a popular choice for daily commuting. In contrast, the 3 Series is celebrated for its dynamic performance and upscale amenities, appealing to those seeking a more engaging drive. When it comes to the driving experience, these cars diverge significantly. The Toyota Corolla offers a smooth, predictable ride, ideal for city driving and highway cruising, focusing on comfort and fuel efficiency. The BMW 3 Series, however, is engineered for performance, providing sharper handling, more responsive acceleration, and a generally more exhilarating feel behind the wheel. It truly embodies a driver-centric design. Considering cost and dependability, the Toyota Corolla generally presents a more budget-friendly option. Its initial purchase price is considerably lower, and it boasts excellent fuel economy, often achieving over 30 miles per gallon combined. Maintenance and insurance costs are also typically less. The BMW 3 Series, while offering luxury, commands a higher price tag and usually incurs greater expenses for parts and service over its lifespan. Finally, let's look at features and luxury. The BMW 3 Series provides a sophisticated cabin with premium materials, advanced driver assistance systems, and cutting-edge infotainment. The Corolla offers practical features, focusing on safety and connectivity without the same level of opulence. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize economical reliability or a premium, performance-oriented driving experience. For more deals and to grab your little tree's black ice, check the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.